DAJA M6 Computer Operation Tutorial. M6 Computer Operation Tutorial. Plug the power cord into the machine. One end is plugged into the socket, and the other end is plugged into the back of the machine. Take out the data cable. Plug the USB interface into the computer, and the other end is plugged into the machine. Turn on the power switch on the back of the machine. Then turn on the emergency stop switch in front. Turn it clockwise to make the emergency stop switch protrude forward. Take out the USB drive. Insert the USB drive. Click this PC on the computer. Click on the USB drive. Copy the M6 compressed package on the USB drive or other disks. Then unzip the compressed package. Open the compressed folder. Here are some folders. The first installation requires the driver to be installed first. Click Cypress Driver Installer. Click Next. The path is default. Click Install. Click Finish. Then go back to the previous folder. 445. This folder is for the parameter settings of the machine's blue light, which includes parameters settings for computers and phones. 1064. It refers to the parameter settings for the machine's optical fiber. Next, install the software. Click on McCarveMark. Find McCarveMark's app. Click to show more options. Click Send to. Click Desktop Shortcut. Close the folder. Open the software. After connecting the data cable between computer and machine, the software will automatically connect to the machine. If the connection fails, BSEL will prompt that the device is not connected. It is recommended to check the machine or the computer's USB port. Click Settings. Click Language. Here you can change the language. Click OK. Close the software and reopen the software. This is the light source switching function. It is now in fiber mode. These two buttons on the left side of the machine. It is the switch button for the protective cover. Two different modes on the machine. It will show two different colors. The optical fiber is of this off-white color. Red light can engrave all metal materials and some non-metallic materials. Blue light mode. The light on the machine will turn blue. Blue light can engrave most non-metallic materials and non-transparent materials. Each machine has different parameters. Please refer to the attached parameter table for the first use. Fill in the parameters in the software parameters F3. We press the F3 key on the keyboard. Now it is in fiber mode. Check if the parameters here are consistent with the video. Click either CO2 or fiber. After the parameters are confirmed, click OK. Optical fiber parameter table. Then it's the blue light mode. Press the F3 key on the keyboard again. Check the parameters here again. Is it consistent with the one in the video? You can select CO2 or fiber here. Blu-ray parameter table. Focusing. Click Focusing. The focusing method of fiber and blue light is the same. These two buttons on the right of the machine are used for focusing. Make the two red dots. Just overlap the two red dots on the object to be carved. Objects with different heights need to be refocused. This is the successful focusing. Click to stop. Text editing and engraving. Blue light can engrave most non-metallic materials and non-transparent materials. Click the T text icon, then click anywhere in the box. Here you can modify the position of the text. Here to modify the size. Enter the size of the carving. If you modify here, the parameters must be clicked to apply. Otherwise the modification will fail. Here is the font selection. We are now doing plain engraving of text. We can use TrueType font. Here you can change the font style. Here you can change the text content. Center. It means the text is centered in the center of the grid box. Engraving parameter bar. Speed. The higher the speed, the faster the laser moves, and the carving will be shallower. The lower the speed, the slower the laser moves, and the carving will be deeper. Speed 50. Power. The higher the light, the greater the power. The deeper the carving, the lower the output power, the smaller it is. The shallower the carving. Power 100. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or after-sales technicians. Click the red light. You can manually move the plank to adjust the carving position. Now the preview effect is frame type. There is also a very intuitive preview effect. Click stop. Check the red light display outline. Then click the red light again. Now the preview style is, it directly shows each character. Text or vector images can turn on red light to display the outline. More intuitive. There are two different preview effects. Adjust it according to your needs. Click stop. Close the protective cover. After the carving position is correct, click mark. Next, fill in the text for engraving. The H command here has the same function as here. Click the H fill command. Line spacing is 0.05. There is no need to set other parameters for text marking. Just modify the line spacing. Line spacing is the density of text filling. The larger the value, the faster the marking speed, the lighter the engraving color, and the smaller the value, the slower the marking speed, the deeper the engraving color. Click OK. Speed 100. Power 20. Open the protective cover. Click the red light preview. Adjust the engraving position. Close the protective cover. Stop preview. After confirming the position and parameters, click to mark. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or after-sales technicians. Fiber optic text editing and engraving. Optical fiber can be engraved with all metal materials and some non-metallic materials. Click the T text icon. Then click anywhere in the box. Enter the size of the carving. Click apply. Click center. Speed 1000. Power 100. Click red light preview. Close the protective cover. Stop preview. Position and parameters. After confirming, click to mark. Next, fill the text with engraving. Click the H to fill the command. After these parameters are determined, click OK. Speed 1000. Power 100. The engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Click red light preview. Fiber mode closes the shield. You can't see the preview location. It is recommended to open the lid to view the preview. Stop preview. After confirming the position and parameters, click mark. Blue light variable text carving. Click text. Check enable variable text. Click increase. Click the serial number. Start serial number 1. Current number 1. Final serial number 10. It will go from 1 to 10. Press mark each time. It will turn into the next number in sequence. You don't need to change the content in the software. Pattern decimal. Click OK. It currently becomes 1. Adjust the engraving size. Click Apply. Click Center. Click Text Fill. Click OK. Roll the mouse wheel. Zoom the engraving interface. Middle mouse button down. You can move the grid interface. Speed 100. Power 40. Click on red light to preview the engraving position. Click to stop. After the location and parameters are determined, click Mark. After engraving, the number of 1 on the software. It will directly become 2 when clicking to carve, because we adjusted the final serial number to 10 earlier. We don't need to change the text to engrave. The text will automatically become the next number. Hold the left mouse button to move the text position. In this way, the text may not be on the same level anymore. Ctrl and Z on the keyboard is to undo the previous step. We modify it here. Click Apply. It makes the movement more accurate. Then click Red. After confirming the position, this time we use the button next to the machine. To start carving, press once to start carving. Next, we only need to focus on the software. Just modify the engraving position and preview. Then press the button next to the machine to engrave. Fiber variable text carving. Click on text. Check only the variable text. Click increase. Click the serial number. Start serial number 1. Current sequence number 1. Final sequence number 1. Mode decimal. Click OK. Adjust the engraving size. Click Apply. Click Center. Click Text Fill. Click OK. Speed 1000. Power 100. Click the red light to preview the carving position. Click to stop. After the location and parameters are determined, click Mark. After engraving, the number 1 on the software is clicked to engrave. Will directly become 2. Modify the carving position and click Apply. Click Apply. Then click Preview. After confirming the location, press the button to start engraving. Next, just change the position of the text. Click to preview. Press the button to start engraving. Blu-ray QR code editing and carving. Click the T text icon. Click in the carving area. Click the font. Change the TrueType font to a barcode font. Change the content here. Adjust the size and position. Click Apply. Click H to open the Fill Settings window. Click OK. Center. Speed 100. Power 40. Click red light to preview the carving position. After the position and parameters are determined, click Mark. For engraving material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Fiber optic 2-dimensional code editing and carving. Click the T text icon. Click the font. Change the TrueType font to a barcode font. Adjust the size and position. Click Apply. Center. Click H to open the Fill Settings window. Click OK. Speed 1000. Power 100. Click red light to preview the carving position. Close the protective cover. After the position and parameters are determined, click Mark. For the engraving material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or after-sales technicians. Editing and engraving of blue light black and white images. Click to draw a picture. Select a black and white image. Click Open. Adjust the size and position. Click Apply. Center. Check grayscale. Check DPI. Check the dot pattern. The longer the dotting time, the deeper the carving effect, and vice versa. The shallower the carving. Check bidirectional scan and adjust point power. Fix DPI 500 × 500. The higher the DPI value, the clearer the carving effect. Click Apply. Speed 50. Power 40. Click the red light preview position. You can open the protective cover. It will be clearer to see. Close the protective cover. Stop preview. After the position parameters are determined, click Mark. Engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician to obtain it. Fiber optic image editing and engraving. Click to draw a picture. Select a picture. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in or out the carving interface. Middle mouse button down. You can move the grid interface. Adjust the size and position. Click Apply. Check invert and grayscale. Fix DPI to 500 and 500. The higher the DPI value, the clearer the carving effect. Check the dot pattern. Check bidirectional scanning and adjust point power. The larger the dotting time, the deeper the carving effect. On the contrary, the smaller the engraving, the shallower it is. Click Apply. Speed 1000. Power 95. Click red light to preview the engraving position. Manually adjust the engraving position. Close the protective cover. After the position parameters are determined, click Mark. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or after-sales technicians for it. Blu-ray vector image editing and engraving. Click Vector. Select Vector Image. Center. Click the H-Fill command. Line spacing is 0.05. Other defaults are fine. Click OK directly. Adjust the size and position. Click to apply. Center. Speed 100. Power 40. Click the red light to preview the engraving position. After the position parameters are determined, click Mark. For the engraving material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Optical fiber vector drawing editing and engraving. Click Vector. Select Vector Image. Center. Adjust the size and position. Click to apply. Center. Click the H-Fill command. Line spacing is 0.05. Other parameters are default. Click OK directly. Speed 1000. Power 100. Click the red light to preview the engraving position. After the position parameters are determined, click Mark. For the engraving material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Edit and engrave the rotation axis. Plug in the connection cable. The placement of the rotating shaft. You need to place the logo on the right side facing the machine. Only in this way will the engraved text be upright. The USB end is plugged into the back of the machine. Focus. Put the carving object. Click Focus. These two buttons on the right side of the machine are used for focusing. Make the two red dots. Just overlap the two red dots on the object. Objects with different heights need to be refocused. This is the successful focusing. Rotary axis text engraving. First, you need to press the F3 key on the keyboard. Then click Port. Door port, input port. This is the emergency stop switch for lid opening. Null refers to the state when the machine cover is open or closed. Engraving is possible. 2 refers to the state when the machine cover is. Engraving is not possible. When using the rotating axis and rotating fixture, all need to be changed to null. Click OK. Click the T text icon. Change the text content. Click Apply. Click the H fill command. Line spacing is 0.05. Line spacing is the density of text filling. The larger the value, the faster marking speed. The lighter the engraving color. Conversely, the smaller the value, the slower the marking speed. The deeper the engraving color. Object overall calculation. For axis rotation carving, it needs to be unchecked. Click OK. Click on any point or the middle of the text. When the points on the text outline become 2 points, and the mouse becomes a rotation style, hold the mouse on the upper right corner or other corner of the text. To rotate it, or press the Control key and the up and down keys of the keyboard. To rotate it, to rotate the text into a vertical state. For example, if the bottle mouth is facing right, rotate it to the right. Center. Speed 600. With 90 power. Movement axis. Click rotating text mark to engrave text. The workpiece diameter refers to the width of the cup. The diameter of this cup is 65. Fill in 65 for the workpiece diameter. Confly. Check the reversal and check the rotary axis. Check the enable reduction ratio. Test. Number of pulses 16,800. The main parameter of RT5 roller engraving is the number of pulses. You can multiply the diameter of the object by 500. Make fine adjustments to this formula. Click to reverse or forward to make the engraved object rotate exactly once on the roller. If it doesn't rotate or rotates more, the value of the pulse number needs to be increased, or decrease it a little until it rotates once. Pulses per revolution. Fill in the one that has just been tested and confirm. Number of pulses 16,800. Then click OK. Extend the axis direction, y-axis. Movement step length is 0.05. The smaller, the higher the precision of carving. But the smaller it is, the longer it takes. The red light preview of the rotating axis. Click the red light in the text marking command of the axis. Then manually adjust the carving position. Click Stop. After confirming the location and parameters, click Marker. For the engraving material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Vector engraving of the rotating axis. Click Vector. Select a vector image. Scroll the mouse wheel. Zoom in or out the grid interface. Click Center. Click H to fill the command line. With a spacing of 0.05. Calculate the object as a whole. Uncheck it. Click OK. Rotate the vector image. Rotate the vector image into a vertical state. Adjust the size and position of the vector image. Click Apply. Speed 600. Power 90. Axis of motion. For pictures and vector graphics, select segmented marking. Motion step length is 0.1. The larger it is, the lower the precision of carving. The faster the engraving time will be, the smaller, the higher the precision of carving. And the longer the engraving time will be. Click the dividing line to preview. The diameter of the workpiece is the width of the engraving. We measured 65. Can fly. Test. Pulse number 16,800. The main parameter of RT5 ball carving is the pulse number. You can multiply the diameter of the object by 500. Make a fine-tuning on this formula to make the engraved object rotate exactly once. If it doesn't rotate or rotates more, the value of the pulse number needs to be increased or decrease a little until it rotates once. Set the pulse number to 16,800. Check reverse. Check the rotation axis. Check the enable reduction ratio. Click OK. Preview the red light of the rotating axis. Click the red light in the split carving command. Manually adjust the carving position. Stop preview. After confirming the location and parameters, click marker. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Blue light text engraving on the rotating axis. Let's engrave this type of small cylinder. First, you need to adjust the rotation axis to this width. Loosen it with a hex wrench here. Here, you can adjust the width of the rotating axis. Lift this heel up a bit. Move to this card slot inside. Then tighten it and put it into the carving. Put in the engraving object. Click to focus. Make the two red light dots coincide on the object to be engraved. Blue light rotating axis text engraving. Click the T text icon. Change the text content. You can change the font. Hold down the Control key and the up and down keys on the keyboard to rotate the text into a vertical state. Adjust the size. Click Apply. Speed 100. Power 20. Click the H-Fill command. Line spacing is 0.03. Object overall calculation. Uncheck it. Click OK. Motion axis. To engrave the text, click to rotate the text marker. Workpiece diameter 29. Can fly. Test. Pulse number 7,300. Click reverse or forward, either is okay. To make the carved object rotate exactly once on the roller. If it doesn't rotate or rotates more, the value of the pulse number needs to be increased or decrease a little until it rotates a full circle. Pulse number 7,300. Click OK. Preview the red light of the rotating axis. Click the red light in the text marking command of the axis. Then manually adjust the engraving position. Close the protective cover a little to avoid the light being dazzling. Click Stop. After confirming the position and parameters, click Mark. The engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Tutorial on using the rotating fixture. First we need install the rotating fixture together with the base plate. Align the rotating jig with the hole of the base plate. Then use the screws in the toolkit to install it. Tighten the screws with a hex wrench. Next, install the bracket. Align the slide at the bottom of the bracket with the base plate. This can be adjusted to the position you need. Then tighten the white knob. You can shake it by hand to see if it is tightened. This bracket, you can rotate here to change the height of the bracket. Then we loosen the fixture head first. Lift it up a little. Tighten further. This is convenient for installing the grab clip. Rotate here to expand the moving axis. This is used to adjust the width of the gripper. Then install the metal clamps on this shaft respectively. The installation width is adjusted according to the carving. Metal fixture can be used to carve smaller items like rings. And the plastic fixture next to it can be used to carve large items like cups. This is the installation completed. Loosen the fixed knob of the clamp head. Lift it up. Tighten it. Plug in the connecting cable. Then loosen the fixed knob. Put the clamp head flat. Tighten it. Plug the USB end into the back of the machine. Placement of rotating fixtures. The clamp head is on the right side facing the machine. Focus adjustment. Put the carving object. Rotate knob. Fix the ring with its clamping jaws facing outward. Click focus. These two buttons on the right side of the machine are used for focusing. Make the two red dots to overlap on the object to be engraved. Objects with different heights need to be refocused. This is the successful focusing. Rotating jig text engraving. Click the T text icon. Here you can change the font of the text. Change the text content. Click Apply. Hold down the Control key on the keyboard and the up and down keys of the up and down arrow keys. To rotate it, rotate the text to a vertical state. Adjust the text size. Click Apply. Center. Speed 1000. Power 60. Click the H-fill command. Line spacing is 0.05. Line spacing is the text fill density. The larger the value, the faster marking speed. The lighter the engraving color. Conversely, the smaller the value, the slower the marking speed. The deeper the engraving color. Overall object computing. To engrave with a rotating jig, you need to uncheck it. Click OK. Motion axis. To engrave the text, click to rotate the text marker. The diameter of the workpiece is the entire width of the ring. The diameter of this ring is 22. Fill in 22 for the diameter of the workpiece. Confly. The number of pulses of the rotating fixture is the default 6,400. If it rotates more than one circle during the test, you still need to adjust the pulse number. Check reverse. Check the rotation axis. Check the only speed ratio. Then click OK. Click the red light. Then manually adjust the engraving position. Click Stop. After the position and parameters are determined, click to mark the engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or after-sales technicians.